pause whatever you're doing because I need to talk to you about something I've been noticing. And once I say it, I feel like you're gonna see it everywhere. You know those women who look annoyingly chic, not overdressed, not trendy, just literally not trying too hard, effortlessly put together, like they woke up on Vogue Street Style Reel or something. Well, they're all following the same quiet formula and no one wants to admit it out loud because it looks like natural style, but trust me, there is a method and I figured it out. Here's the thing. I've been watching women in Miami, New York, London, even that girl at TSA line who somehow had the perfect trousers at 6 a.m. Like, girl, tell me where you get those. And they all dress with one underlying intention. They dress for how they feel and not how they want to look. And that's the part we never really talk about because the truth is most women are dressing from a place of anxiety, not really enlightenment. And I can tell you, you can always tell when someone got dressed in a rush versus when they're dressed with emotional clarity. You can tell. And honestly, emotional clarity is the new luxury. They're using fashion to regulate themselves. Like their clothes are part of their wellness routine. And that's why everything looks elevated, even when it's simple. Okay, let me break down the formula. Rule number 1 is a 2-1 ratio. 2 structured pieces, 1 relaxed piece. Every single time. And you didn't even notice it until someone pointed it out. And then suddenly it's like, oh, that's why she looks so put together. Yes, yes. So think about it like this. Structured blazer, clean tank, relaxed denim. Or maybe a structured trouser, sharp shoulder sweater, or maybe soft hair to go with it. Most women go too far in one direction, and that's why the whole outfit looks as an identity, because it then either looks stiff or everything's slouchy. The 2-1 ratio is where chic lives, and it's a balance of softness and intention, and the ratio is forgiving, and you can apply it on a lazy day, busy day, vacation day, and it will still work. It really will. I've noticed this, trust me. This one might actually change your closet. Rule 2 is 1 luxury, 1 logic. We are not doing any of those it's fantasy outfits anymore. Like, let it go. Stylish women give you 1 luxury moment and then they anchor it with something that feels completely normal. It makes your outfit feel like really expensive without you trying too hard, and makes your luxury pieces feel personal instead of performative. A $400 loafer with a $12 tee, chic. A designer bag with jeans you had since college, chic. A silk shirt with your everyday leggings, somehow making it work and the proportions just hit right, chic. So why does it work? Because it communicates you have taste and you're not trying. And the psychology behind it is wild because it's more powerful when it's paired with something humble. It creates contrast and the contrast creates that chicness. Okay, but this one is actually my favorite rule. This one's my favorite rule. Okay. Rule number 3, the director's cut approach. Chic women don't dress like they're consumers. They dress like they are directing the show, directing the film. This is composition, proportion, mood. They're asking, what is the silhouette telling people about me? A coat isn't just a coat, it's a scene. You're the movie, you're the main character. A bun isn't just a hairstyle, it's a character choice. So the wild part is once you start thinking that way, you start fighting with your closet. You start like editing things in a way a director will see a scene. You become intentional and not overwhelmed. And intentional women always look stylish, even in sweatpants. You know, this is what a woman who wants her outfit to feel like a narrative and not random selection of clothing. That alone can change your whole relationship with style. And now the part that, what do I see here? Rule number 4, fit, fabric, finish. The 3 Fs. This is where the girls who always look good separate themselves. They care about the boring details. A $30 outfit can look like $300 if it's really fitting you right. And a $300 outfit can look like $30 if it's not. Fabric matters because it will tell the truth. Cotton drapes differently than polyester. Lie to yourself all you want. We can tell. We can tell. Wool drapes differently than acrylic. And the finish, don't get me started. The lint, the wrinkle, the shoe scuffs, it all shows. Finishing touches are the difference between looking intentional and looking unfinished. And nobody needs new clothes, they just need better finishing. When you walk into a room, people feel that polish before they even see your outfit. The power of the finish is what really makes your fit. Let's talk about silhouette because this is where most of us get a little lost. Rule number 5, the silhouette pyramid. Chic women build outfits from the top down. Shoulder line is the headline. The waistline, subtext, the legs finish your argument. Your shoulder line sets your vibe. Soft, structured, powerful, casual, whatever you want it to be. That's why a well-fitted tee can hit if the shoulders are clean. The waist definition isn't about being snatched, it's about intention. So if you're tucking it in, a simple tuck can really change the entire perception of your outfit. And the leg line, whew, don't get me started. I love showing long legs. I don't care how long my legs are, let's get longer. So if the pants aren't right, the whole outfit collapses. And footwear is punctuation. Think of it like that. You're ending a sentence, is it with a period or an exclamation point? And when your pyramid is balanced, even the simplest outfit will look elevated. And the woman who masters the silhouettes, their own silhouette will never look sloppy. Learn your silhouette, ladies. And wait, hot take incoming. Rule number 6, most women don't want a neutral wardrobe. They want a cohesive one. Chic women aren't neutral because they're minimalistic. They're neutral because it's functional for them. Neutrals make everything mix and match without thought. But the secret is you still have to have a signature style, color, palette of your own. The olive girl, the burgundy girl, the navy girl, the soft yellow girl. And maybe it doesn't even have to be that necessary category, but one color that you know makes sense for you. You know you're gonna go to that color anyway, really lean into it. It creates identity without chaos for you and the consistency without looking boring. It reduces decision fatigue because you already know what you like. Go towards it. Your closet will then start to look like it belongs to you. And when you build around that cohesion instead of a trend, you look like yourself. And that's the ultimate chic, literally. The last part is gonna hit you in the chest a little. Okay, rule number 7. Chic is emotional boundaries in outfit form. Chic isn't about money. It's really about self-trust. And women who follow this formula don't dress for validation. They dress from a place of quiet clarity. They're not panicking every Sunday night, trying to reinvent themselves every Sunday night. They're not buying clothes to cope with a bad week every single week. And they're rooted and present and know themselves a little bit better. It's an energy that shows up in their outfit before they even say a word because, you know, style is never just style. It's really self-respect, being visible, being shown, your own personality, how you see yourself. So when your style becomes a boundary, everything goes through a filter instead of a mask. You achieve that ultimate chic level, the peak chic. And women can feel that even if they can't really articulate it. Before I go, I'm gonna tell you what I wish someone told me when I was stuck in my nothing looks good on me era. If you're listening to this and you're thinking, okay, I need this clarity, I need this formula in my actual closet, I built something for you. It's called the Style Reset Kit, and it walks you through all of this, but personalized to your life, your energy, and your body. Literally the guide I wish I had in my early 20s. So if you want your style to stop feeling random and start feeling aligned, that's the next step. I'll put the link below. Go peek at it, and you know in 2 seconds if it's meant for your next era. DM me when you actually start seeing this formula in the wild. I really want to know. Bye.